Hello, welcome to ePact, your emergency network. Today, we're going to explore how to use the ePact Check-in Check-out app in offline mode. Please be sure to have the most recent up-to-date version of the ePact admin app available on Google Play or alternately in the App Store, as the older version does not include this functionality. You will also notice that the app looks slightly different. Click on Login. Once you log in, you'll be prompted to update member records if you have not done this in the last 7 days. Click on Go to Updated Records page, and then click on Update. This is a good practice to ensure you have the right information on your device if you no longer have access to the internet. Click on OK and then return to My Organizations page. Click on the name of your organization followed by Check-in, Check-out. You can use an existing sheet or you can create a new one. If you are using an existing sheet, click on the 3 buttons and make sure to sync the members first to ensure your sheet has the most up-to-date information. Click on Sync Members and then select the corresponding group and click on Sync. If you are using this sheet more than once, you can choose to keep the statuses the same, or you can also choose to reset it by clicking on No. In this case, we'll click Yes. Once the sync is complete, you are ready to move your sheet offline. Once again, click the 3 buttons, and this time toggle Make Available Offline. You will then be given a message explaining how the feature works. Make sure that you understand that all changes are saved on your device. You should not clear your app's data storage or cache, as it will remove your offline changes. As well, when you're done working offline, please turn off offline mode to upload your changes to ensure that the information is available on the cloud as soon as possible. Click on Turn on Offline Mode. This will take a few seconds. Once the sheet has been downloaded to your device, it is now available to use offline. This means that no other user or other device will be able to access this specific sheet. To get started, simply click on the sheet name and then proceed as you normally would. Please note that pre-screening does not currently work with offline mode, but health screening does. This means that if you check in a member, you will need to choose between the administrator or the name of the contact checking them in, and then you will need to ask the questions and fill them out. Once you're done, click on Check-in. Again, the settings here for initials and signature are completely customizable to your needs. They do not have to be shown, but if you do need them, you can select them in your org settings. Click on Check-in to complete the process. You will now notice that there is a message saying changes saved on this device. If you return to your Sheets page, you will also see this. This is to remind you that there are changes that need to be uploaded. To upload changes, very simply click the 3 buttons once again, and when you have internet access, simply toggle Make Available Offline the other direction. The changes will then be uploaded. From there, you have 2 options. If you will be using this sheet offline for more than 1 day, you can click on Stay Offline and the sheet will remain so. But if you are done with the sheet and you are ready to archive it, you simply click on Go Online. Once you do this, the sheet will now be available online. And you can click on Turn Off. We'll just turn that off right there, followed by Archive to send the sheet to your dashboard. You can also upload all changes to all sheets on a specific device using perhaps a schedule. For example, if the device is going to be outside of a Wi-Fi zone for most of the week, make a plan to upload it, say, every Friday when the device is returned to a location where there is Wi-Fi. To do that, you can actually upload all the changes very quickly by simply going to the menu icon up on the top right-hand corner, selecting Upload Offline Changes, and then clicking on Upload. Once again, you'll be prompted to decide if the sheet is to stay offline or to go online. In this case, this is the sheet that I'll be using for the full month, so I'm going to keep it offline so that it'll be ready on Monday to use again. Just a reminder that syncing sheets regularly is a good practice as well, so the more often that you upload changes and sync sheets, the more accurate your sheets will be. Thank you. Please visit our Help Center for more information.